Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 13. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to simplify the given expression, and so we will need to use order of operations. Okay, so we have a subtraction, a multiplication, and an addition. Multiplication has the higher priority, and so we need to do that operation first. And so we have 3 minus, 12 times 2 is 24. Then we have plus 19. Now, since we have an addition and subtraction, we need to perform those going from left to right. And so first we have 3 minus 24. That is minus 21. Then we have plus 19. Okay? And now we just have our addition, right? The minus sign is attached to the 21, so we just have an addition. And minus 21 plus 19 is minus 2. And that is our final answer. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.